Hello students, today we are going to continue with the second chapter of SS, What is Around Us. In the previous class, I have explained about lithosphere and hydrosphere. Today we are going to learn about atmosphere and biosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a mixture of gases that surrounds the earth from all sides. From the earth's surface, the atmosphere extends approximately up to 1600 km. We cannot see the atmosphere with our naked eyes. It is colorless, odorless and transparent. Atmosphere is made up of different gases, water vapor, dust particles, smoke, salt, microorganisms, etc. There are solid, liquid and gaseous components in the air. Atmosphere contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 1% other gases. More amount of gases are present in the lower layer of the atmosphere. As we move upwards from the surface, the amount of gases will decrease. Of all these gases, carbon dioxide gas is heavier. So this gas is found more in the lower layer of the air. Ozone gas is another important component in the air. This gas is very important because ozone gas absorbs the ultraviolet rays from the sun and protects the earth from the excessive heat and harmful rays of the sun. Ozone gas is found more in proportion, especially in the morning, in the open ground and in the coastal areas. Oxygen and nitrogen are important to keep all the living creatures of this earth alive. Oxygen is must to sustain our life on this earth. Nitrogen gas reduces the intensity of oxygen. So, these two gases are very important for the survival of living beings. The most important component in the atmosphere is water. Due to the heat of the sun, the water evaporates and mixes with the air, and it is known as moisture. We all know that the process of cooling of water is known as condensation. So, due to the process of cooling down of vapor, various forms of moisture like dew, fog, clouds, precipitation, etc. are formed in the atmosphere. The changes that take place in the atmosphere affects the life of human beings in many ways. Due to this, variations can be seen in the food habits, clothing, color, economic activities, etc. Another component in the atmosphere, dust particles are also very important. Spreading of sun rays are visible due to these dust particles. The sun rays are reflected with the help of dust particles. That's why it does not turn dark suddenly after the sunset and suddenly it doesn't turn bright after sunrise. Moreover, we can listen to the sound due to the presence of atmosphere. We all know that sound waves require the medium of air to travel. That's why radio and television broadcast is also possible. Now we learn about biosphere. Biosphere is one of the important spheres on this earth. The part of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere where the living world exists is called as biosphere. Earth is the only planet in solar system where living beings exist. Biosphere includes vegetation, animals, insects and human beings. It is divided into two parts such as living and non-living. It is the base of our existence and life. Now let's learn the effect of human activities on these spheres. Human beings do various activities on this land for his own development in life. But due to these activities, knowingly or unknowingly, an imbalance is created in all these spheres. If the balance is not maintained on these different spheres, it will be a threat to the existence of human beings on this planet. Lithosphere is getting affected badly when underground nuclear testing is done or when drilling is done for tube wells or for obtaining mineral oil. This is how lithosphere is affected by human activities. Now I tell you how the hydrosphere is polluted. Today we know that due to urbanization and industrialization, a lot of waste from the villages and cities and the industrial waste from the factories are dumped into the rivers and thus they are polluted. Oil spills from ships and the dumping of industrial and chemical waste into water bodies causes a lot of destruction to the aquatic life. In this way, hydrosphere is also put in danger by human activities. In the same way, atmosphere is also polluted in many ways. Harmful gases and smoke that is coming out from the industries, factories, power stations, vehicles, etc., causing pollution in the atmosphere. If an area has more frequency of vehicles, the amount of carbon monoxide is also more in that area. When trees are cut in large numbers by man for his own personal benefits, it causes lot of pollution as the amount of carbon dioxide is increasing in the air. We know that trees play an important role to absorb this harmful carbon dioxide from the air and provide us with oxygen. So this process will be disturbed when trees are cut down. When carbon dioxide increases in the air, the heat also increases on this earth. Hope that now you will have understood how different spheres of the earth is getting affected due to human activities. This is an important topic. See that you all read the chapter very well and prepare your own notes of this chapter. Until we meet in the next session, take care. Bye.